Hello and welcome to this InvestGlass walkthrough. I'm Alexander of InvestGlass. InvestGlass is #1 Swiss CRM. Yes, a CRM in Switzerland, in Europe. So today I'm going to show you how to deal with a long list of edit of contacts without clicking on each contact. So how do you do that? There's a trick. Go to your settings, so my account company, and then go down until you find here your settings. Click on the settings and find the grid features of the create, reads, updates, and deletion. By clicking on yes and yes, you will have then an amazing option. The first option obviously is on the action. You'll be able to create a contact report directly from here. And the second option you're going to love is to edit the field directly from this page. So what I mean by that, you don't need anymore to click on a contact or an account and then edit, click on action, click on details and change the field, which I agree is actually very, very painful. But guess what? Most of the banks, most of my clients are doing that way to make sure that everyone is not touching the data. Now, when you're in a hurry or you need to edit a long list and you're authorized in your company, the right way, you click on yes, yes, and then look at this. I want to change this phone of François. All right. Done. And it's saved. That's an amazing way to save time. I hope you enjoy it and talk to you soon for another trip and another trick of InvestGlass. Take care.